What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. On today's actual video though, we are going to be covering DDE. They got a new exhaust system for the 488, CarWow and RDBLA and a few others, so stick with me and we'll jump into it in just 1 second. Just want to say thank you for checking out the video. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. So if you want, smash the subscribe button. That would be pretty sick if you wanted. Do comment below, guys, and by hitting the subscribe button we are doing a giveaway. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm giving away this Lamborghini LED sign just as a thank you for supporting the channel. And yeah guys, I do plan to get a project car for the channel as well, and the bigger we get, the more crazier stuff I can do. In the meantime, this is what I'm doing, so just stick with it and give the channel a chance. So after all that, let's jump into what we are covering today. Straight off the bat, we're going to be covering DDE. They have gone away and finally upgraded the exhaust system on the 488 with an FI exhaust system. They work with FI exhaust. FI exhaust do all of their exhaust systems. I think Army Tricks like do, goonzsquad. And all these different exhaust companies, they work with different YouTubers. FI exhaust is the one that DDE partner with, and I really do like their exhaust systems because the difference this is after making on the 488 is absolutely insane. It's so much better than what it sounded before. So without further ado, here's a quick clip of the 488 with the new FI exhaust system on it. There you go, guys. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. Would you get an FI exhaust system if you had a supercar? Would you get Army Tricks or whoever? What do you think of it? What do you think of the ideas he has for the 488? It sounds way better. I mean, Christ almighty, it's just such an improvement on that V8. It sounds like a totally different beast. It's so loud. It just sounds like a proper Ferrari as well. It's really nice. I do really like FI exhaust systems. But yeah, I can't wait for DDE to continue with the 488 builds. We have a lot to look forward with DDE. I'm really enjoying their videos lately, and yeah, it'll be just interesting to see how the 488 turns out. Next on the list, guys, we are going to be covering the man of the news of automotive industry, is the man himself, Life of PALOS, Aaron. I meant to cover this in my other videos but never got a chance to get around it because of the whole SSC Tour Tower stuff that was going on, but I finally got to it. He's gone away and he's gotten livery put on his Ferrari FF, his V12. He did put in the title, it was clickbait. He put, okay, you can debate with me this in the comments if you're a Life of PALOS fan. He put down it's a wrap, right? If you say a wrap to me, that means the whole thing got wrapped, or the nearly 75% of the car got wrapped. He got a livery done, 1 stripe and 2 along the side skirts, and the wheels painted and the calipers. That is it. It's just, all he do was got a new livery and customized my Ferrari FF. But he put down a new wrap thinking, I thought it was going to be a full wrap. I was like, oh, I can't wait to see this. Now, don't get me wrong, I like it. I do like it, the way it came out. It is pretty nice. Not my taste, it's his taste. I don't think Aaron's the person to go away and heavily modify supercars. It's just not his thing. It's not like DDE or TJ Hunt or tavarish to go away that far. I do like it, but it's not my cup of tea. I'm just I was expecting a full wrap, but it's pretty cool the way it came out. Fair dues to him, it's the way he likes it, and I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions below, what you think of the new livery on it. It has come out pretty sick and he's happy. So next on this, guys, is going to be CarWow. CarWow released a video of an M5, BMW M5 against a 911 Turbo S, and yeah, this I've seen in this M5 before go up against a 488 P-Stand car. Wow, it was 800 brake horsepower. The guy that owns the car has pumped another 30,000 sterling pounds into it for another 200 brake horsepower. This thing is hitting 1,000 brake horsepower. He didn't tell Yanni of Yanamize, who was in the Porsche 911 Turbo S, and they did a drag race as you do. But here's just a quick clip for you anyway.
Come on, Hook! He's ahead. Whoa! Really struggles with traction. Can I come past him? Oh my god, here he comes. I'm coming past him. Wow. Oh yes. Mate, that is not 800 brake horsepower. That was ridiculous. That's not real.
That's not real, mate. Okay, got a confession to make.
I lied to you. This car
It's the first BMW M5 in the UK
to have 1,000 horsepower.
There you go, guys. Yeah, what can you say? I'd say what it's like sitting in that M5 when you take off, it's like bloody warp speed. You know, it's ridiculous. In fairness though, I was pretty shocked that the 911 kept up that close to it, 0.3 off. Obviously it's a lighter car, it's got turbos, but still, it was pretty cool to see the drag race go there, and that M5 was crazy quick. But if you've seen the episode, guys, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it, and would you get an M5 and pump that much money into the engine to get to 1,000 brake horsepower? I don't know if I would. I'd rather probably spend the money on a supercar to get it up over 1,000, but look, it was still a cool episode and a cool outcome indeed. Next on the list, Royalty Exotics. So Royalty Exotics, their latest video that just came out was Houston had bought a wrecked 2014 R35 GTR Black Edition. He bought the car for $22,000. He put $9,000 into it. So he's $31,000 in with the GTR, and he swapped it for a Lamborghini Gallardo. He got the Lamborghini Gallardo because it was a straight swap, for $31,000. But the bottom end of the Lamborghini Gallardo needs work. Sure, what's that to Houston? He's got loads of parts for Gallardos lying around his shop. So he did say, quote wise, roughly it would probably cost you in a dealership or whoever around $25,000 to get the engine fixed. So even at that, you'd be in around $56,000. Those cars sell anywhere between $90,000 to $100,000 the spec of that particular car. So for him, I think he was saying probably what, 31,000, and then he'll probably put maybe 2,000 or 3,000 into it. At the end of the day, he's going to flip that car and he's going to sell it, he said, for around 99,000 thereabouts. So he's going to make a massive profit off this car when he's finished with it. I would love to get a Gallardo for the channel if we ever get that big. I just love those cars. Let me know, guys, what you thought of the deal in the comments below. If it's something you know, was pretty cool, and you know, where would you, I'm actually interested, what's the cheapest Gallardo you've ever seen? Comment below. Last on the list is RDBLA. I haven't covered these guys in a while. Just covering these guys briefly because I really like the paint job that came out on the Lamborghini Urus that they did. Yeah, so we know look, what's going on in Armenia is BS, and what's happened with, you know, Turkey. But look, it is for awareness, and this paint job is definitely going to get awareness. I really like it. It came out really, really nice. I love the way the colours just mix together. I love RDBLA. The mods they do in cars is insane. If I ever had the money to give to get a supercar modified, they would probably be one of the guys I'd go to. If I had a Urus, would I go that colour? It's a bit out there. I don't think I would, but it's so cool the way they did it. It's definitely an eye looker, and definitely something you see going down the road. Let me know, guys, would you ever wrap your car in the colour of your country? Would I wrap it in an Irish colour? I don't think I would. I think that's going over the top a bit too much. But the Armenia flag is quite cool, so it did come out really nice and I really liked it. And I'm sure, look, it's a head turner wherever it goes. So guys, that is it for today. Thanks very much if you watched to the end. Again, if you're new to the channel, please do consider giving the channel a chance and smashing the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. If you've already subscribed and you're already watching this as a subscriber, you are a legend. Thank you very much. Do comment below and give it a like, guys. And look, I don't know where this channel is going to go. Let's just continue this journey, see what happens, and as I said, big plans for it. So till the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.